Hi students, I Sandeep. This is class second. I am going to cover in this the chapter direction from EVS. Okay, we all are familiar with the directions. We know when we are going with our parents, with our relative, and we are watching. This is right side, north, east, west, like this. We are familiar with these words, and there are four major directions. Now we are going to discuss with the help of natural resource, that is sun. Okay, we know that when we were small, in small age, like in nursery class, UKG class, we are telling to our parents that sun is coming which side, sun is setting which side. So these are the common word which we are using with our friends. So same thing, with the help of sun I am going to discuss directions. Okay, first of all, there are four directions. First is north, west, east, and south. In your book, there is one boy is there. It is fun time. In this fun time, pictures activity, we used like left, right, behind, and front. These words indicate directions. They help us to tell position of place or thing around us. Direction help us to find out our way easily. If we know about our horses which direction, then you can tell to your friend that they will be easily get this your friend address. When you do not know direction, it will be very difficult for us to find the way. So we should know that which direction is this and how this we can move from one direction to another direction. Next, I told you there are the four major direction: north, west, east, and south. See, you can look on your book page number 134. One boy is there. Same picture you will get in my PPT also. You are watching in this, and see, many years ago people used to find direction with the help of sun. Stand in your house, ground face the rising sun, and your face is toward the west, your back is toward the east. Now stretch your arms. The left hand points to the north, your right hand points to the south. See, in the PPT, it is the girl is showing her hands, that is, it is showing east direction. In the next, see, sun helping to find direction. In the east, hand is showing in the east, and then another hand showing in the west, and head is showing in the north, and bottom like foot is showing in the side of south. Same, when our this weather is changing, on that time it's very difficult, because during the time of cloud we are unable to see the sun, but they will be same, the direction will be same. Don't be confused, the sun is not there, then it will be very difficult for you, but the direction will be same. You have to see your face, you have to same. If the weather is cloudy, you have to stand on same place, then easily you will get the directions like east, north, east, west, south, and north. And during the noon time, in the noon time, the sun above our head. In the evening, the sun setting in the west. So you can see the another hand is in the west side. See, look in the PPT. Now it is clearly showing to you at east, first hand left, right hand is in east, then left, west, and top head on north side and feet on south side. Here direction is given to you, one circle is there, it is showing direction, and hands also showing direction. Same picture you will see in your book also on page number 134. Next, how we can find the way. Compass used, this is the one of the operators which we are used to find directions in ships. Okay, in the water, those peoples, those doing navy jobs, plus those who doing fishing work and other ship work, they are using these operators to get directions. In the help of this compass, you can see here also four direction is given to you: north, south, east and west. This we can also compare with our hands. Okay, how these apparatuses work? There is one needle inside. When they want to go east side, then they have to keep in front of this, they have to keep this apparatus in front, and the needle automatically move in east side. And if they want to go in west side, then same apparatus they can use for other directions also. And it help, compass is used for ship's person, and they have to find directions, and it has needle which help us to locating directions. If there is no needle, like we are watching timepiece in our home, you can see in the timepiece there are also three needles, that is hands. We are telling these hands, and there are also three hands on the clock. Same like this here, this in the compass there are also this needle. With the help of needle we can get directions. Next we are having map. Map also help us to finding direction. Map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface such as pieces of paper. In the map you can see here, this is the use of compass, but this is map. And in the map you can look at the top, we are having north side, it is at the top. I told you in the head you have to north side. In the top we have Jammu and Kashmir, and bottom south side we have Kerala, and here east side Arunachal Pradesh, and west side Gujarat. Here is west. Okay, so this map is also helping to find the direction. You are in small class, so it will be this time it will be difficult for you to find out the direction with the help of map, and it will be easy to you that you can find the direction with the help of sun. Because in the map, this we are studying in the higher classes, like in third or fourth class we are study map. So when you will read this in the SST social science subject, then easily you will get a good idea with the help of finding direction with the help of map. Here one quiz activity is there, fun activity is there, page number 134. Different object is showing to you, like banana tree, pumpkin, rose plant. You have to, elephant is there, one boy is there. You have to read this, see this picture carefully and give the answer filling the blanks. Okay, they are in the different directions, so we have to fill this filling the blanks. Like a banana is in dash of the child. Okay, it is in which direction of the child? Okay, rose plant is to dash of Gullu, is the name of boy. So you have to see this rose plant which side, right side. What you have to do for this solving the exercise, you have to stretch your hands like this boy is touching. Okay, same like this, you have to stretch your hand, then easily you will get answers of the questions. Okay, and in the exercise is a very easy, page number 135, fill in the blanks. The sun is dash its position from time to time. Morning we are watching, sun is in the east side, and evening time it's going in the west side. So what process is going on? The sun is dash its position from time to time. There are dash important directions. I told you there are the 4 major directions, so you have to see answer. The sun is rises in dash and sets in dash. Dash help us to find way. Okay, same, take the right answers. It's very easy. All the things you have to do, watch this video and you will get answer, because in the video I discussed all the things, and you have to see again page number 137. There is activity. Look at the picture given below. Write the direction in which children are painting. Children pointing their fingers. Okay, as in the PPT I showed you, this girl is stretching her hands. Same like this, you also stretch your hand and you have to find out the direction. Okay, thank you student for watching this video.